Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out this DermaSuction today for you guys. I'm gonna zoom the camera in super close to my pores and show you guys what I look like with no makeup on and how nasty my pores look, and show you whether this works or not. So you guys who don't like watching gross stuff might want to turn off the video and watch a different video, because this is going to get a little TMI for a lot of you viewers. Let's go ahead and just get to that video and see if this bad boy actually works as good as it says it does. Okay guys, so this is me in the morning, no makeup. A little breakout right there. Now don't gross out when I zoom in super close to my nose right here, because you're gonna see all that nasty, but that's what this video is here to see. Super close up, does this product actually work? So let's go ahead and just get to that zoomed in, extremely TMI video. Okay guys, so here are my pores. Now when I tell you guys I have extremely large pores, you guys can see why I'm always complaining about my pores. Even on my chin you can see the pores. So this is why I mostly wear a pore filling primer. You guys can see I grabbed the oval shaped one. Let's go ahead and just turn it on and see if it works. Ow! That hurts. Oh my goodness, but it pulled something out. Let's go ahead and try right here. That's disgusting, I know, but we're testing it out. Look at that, wow. Ow. So it's working, but it's having a hard time sliding, and it feels like it doesn't slide very easily, and almost like I'm cutting. Or like how should I explain? It feels like my skin's going in here. This is a kind of a sharp edge. Ooh, look at the sebum right there. And it's not gliding as well. So I'm gonna try a different tip. Let's try a rounded tip that has a smoother edge. Wow, can you guys see all of that in there? Let me just show you guys close up. Look at all of that sebum. Look at that. That is, I know, totally disgusting looking. Okay guys, so what did you think? Wasn't that, I mean, look, you can even see at this distance how much stuff is there. That is pretty gross. Yes. So I'm going to say this actually works. Mind you, my face is dry right now. And when your skin is like super dry, it's harder to get those pores, that sebum to come out of your pores. So for this sucker to pull them out when my skin's dry is pretty darn impressive. I know it was so gross seeing them come out like little worms, but they came out. I honestly think that you're supposed to use this like once you get out of the shower, when your skin's a little bit softer, and then it would have even a easier time just kind of pulling everything out. Just for this one time using this is really freaking awesome. And look at this, it doesn't leave my skin like all damaged looking or red. You can see how red I turn when I have like a breakout. You don't really see that in my nose. Now I do think that you could bruise yourself if you stick it on an area for too long. It's almost like a suction cup. This one here, the like oval one, was a tad bit too harsh because it's like more of a sharp edge. They do come with two other, a larger hole, a smaller hole, and then they have this. Let's try this real quick. This one has like a rubber edge, I guess maybe so it will slide more easily. I don't know. Let's go ahead and stick it on there and try it really quick. Okay, so this is actually really smooth on the face. yeah, this one is, it would glide better. This one gives a lot of suction. It would glide better if my skin wasn't so freaking dry because of the weather. But anyways, guys, I thought this was a great product. You know what? And I do suction cups on my face to kind of give my skin some, you know, to bring that blood flow up so I don't get so many wrinkles. Honestly, think that if I had some oil on my face, ooh, let me try that real quick. I was going to say it would just kind of like smear around and almost like it would be just as good as my suction cups. Let me go grab some oil. I'll be right back. So I grabbed some Josie Moran 100% argan oil. I'm going to go ahead and put it a little bit on my face and see if this thing slides around better. Look at how it just kind of glides. I don't know, you guys can tell on camera very much. My skin is turning extremely red. This is what you want to do. You want to kind of go up, lifting the skin, bringing that blood flow. We don't want to pull down on anything. Wow. I absolutely love this. Now, in this, you can see that, I don't know if you guys can see the splatter. So it kind of like just was pulling that oil off my face. But, wow, it turned my skin pretty darn red, which that will go down later. But I love this, absolutely love this, because it like, not only can I use it as an anti-aging device, as far as like bringing the blood flow to my skin with this head, but I can also pull out all of those pores, especially after I get out of the shower, without having to squeeze and damage any blood vessels or cause any scars or bruise my skin. I'm gonna say that this is freaking awesome. I have been very skeptical of buying this because it was not cheap. I mean, cheap as far as like, it's not expensive, but it's not cheap. And for me to spend my money trying something that I'm like, it's probably just gimmicky. I was like, I've been putting it off for a while, but I'm very happy that I got this product because like I said, hey, it's gonna help lift and bring that blood flow to your skin. It's also gonna pull out all those nasty blackheads on your nose and throughout your face. So I honestly think this is a great investment, and only for $20, $30. This is gonna save your skin and prevent those wrinkles. Obviously, if you use it for the suction, look at this. Wow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and a tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I will try to find a link and post this down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.